This is fine. Welcome to another beautiful New York session. We are in here live. Man, this growth of this account has been incredible so far. Just unreal. Even increased my lot sizes here too. Took a loss over here, you know, and like first time increased my lot size to 15 lots, boom, loss. Did it again. And then like, you know, it's climbing up pretty nice. Okay, let's see here. Market fluidity 2.0 is going to be exactly what you've already studied, but you know, it's always better to refresh with basic things. You know, like, you know, as we also move along, I also pick up on some new things, on some new, basically some efficient ways for the same concepts. All right, let's take a look at the live stream here. There we go. We got the YouTube chat. Love you from Pakistan. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Okay, let's take a look at gold over here now. Let's take a look at gold. Now, let's remove all analysis here first because we want to do fresh analysis, okay? All right, so we're going to do some fresh analysis here. Awesome. Okay, let's take a Raja looking good. Thank you, bro. I try to look good every time. Okay. Awesome. All right, so starting from the 4-hour time frame, obviously the previous 4-hour candle, like, you know, we created resistance on the 4-hour right here. We've created some sort of resistance area, and at the same time we got a support formed. So basically this is a 76 75 pip range, right? Let's take a look on the 1-hour time frame now. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, we have some more information. Obviously this is our support on the 1-hour time frame, and within this 79-80 pip range we have a minor support as well, which is at 2026. So essentially we have a 52 pip minor range in this big 80 pip range. Okay, so now the levels that I'm looking at here are, okay, let me make this blue. So levels I'm looking at is maybe 2031. If we can break above 2031, I think we can continue to push up. How far can we push up? Let's take a look to the left-hand side. I would say maybe move up towards 2037 to fill the wick to the left-hand side. There was also a resistance at, you know, 2034. So this is a 34 pip range anyway. But I would say maybe up till 2037 would be much better. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a zone right over here and extend it all the way to the right-hand side, right here. We're going to extend it all the way till here. We're looking at the 1-hour time frame now at this point. Okay, right, extended. So that's basically the target that we're looking at. Looking at the 30-minute, 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 30-minute. Yeah, I mean, we are pushing up over here, 15 pip move. Okay, no problem, no problem. So yeah, so we're just going to wait to see whether we can break above 2031 to continue up or not. I'm also going to put that in writing over here. So we're looking at potential buys above 2032. Okay, 2032. In my language, we say na meri na teri middle ki, right? 2032. Yeah, potential buys above 2032. And potential sells below. Yeah, I would say sells would work. You know, let's make the zone a little bit much more neater. Yeah, I think sells would work below 2025, 24 pip spread range. But at the same time, I'd want to see some sort of a, like, you know, now price is coming up, no problem. We have clean move here from, you know, 2026. We're at 2030 now, 35 pips. If we move up towards 2031, if we can create some sort of a resistance, I think we can continue to push down. You know, just like on right here, right here, we formed resistance because essentially this is a clean range here, right? This is a clean range, 73 pip range, and then the 1 hour candle closed bearish, what happens? Boom, resistance formed. So I took a sell right here, and price came down. I secured profits, got about 21 pips, made 2100, and then that's it. You know, and now we're coming up over here. So we'll have to see if we can create another resistance for price to continue pushing down or not. By the way, this is the Dominion Markets app on we did launch the Dominion Market apps now on iOS. If you have your iPhone, you can download the Dominion Markets trading app. It comes with C Trader loaded. Man, it's just so sick. Just having to see your own company logo on a well-established platform, I think that's just so amazing. Today I came here after watching your lectures. Amazing. Welcome. Raja, I want to ask, can I trade US oil? Yes. It's amazing people keep watching fraudster that can't trade outside his own broker. Well, Mr. Rod FX, imagine your mother or father, they have these high hopes from Rod FX. High hopes that this guy is on his computer, on his phone, doing something productive and all this stuff, you know? And then in reality, Rod FX is watching some other random guy and just commenting, oh, this guy is a fraud. Like, come on. Imagine what they're going to think. Imagine what they're going to think, that they gave birth to this Rod FX. And this is what he's doing at his free time. Just commenting on some random people's streams. What amazing life you have at this. Just amazing. Wish I had your life with nothing else to do, with nothing to my name, and just have all the time in the world. I wish I had a life like that. That sounds like a pretty nice way to live. Was the sell taken on the 1 hour time frame? That's correct. Did you enter after liquidity wick? No, I entered just as the candle closed. I can't find Dominion's app on App Store. You have to type Dominion Markets on the App Store. I think in some countries it may not be open yet. You got to type Dominion Markets. Oh yeah, there it is. Wow, nice. Dominion Market. Please create playlist about simulation in your YouTube channel. Okay, I will. Can you break down your buy? I think I did a video on that. YouTube video. Right? Yeah, I think there was a YouTube video. Closed above right over here. You know, so it was this one right here. Yeah, I did an Instagram reel on that. So you got to go watch that. How to book for Market Fluidity 2.0. The link is going to be open maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow. It's not available on your Google Play Store yet. Maybe by Monday or next week, it's going to be on Play Store as well. Dominion Markets. Would you mind telling us your daily routine? Yeah, I wake up, I have a banana, I drop my kids to school, come back, have another banana, some peanut butter, go to the gym, come back, you know, and then I come to the office. And by the time it's like 1, I have my breakfast. And then lunch, go back home, chill. Sometimes shisha night, you know, stuff like that. Yeah, pretty difficult life. How can... What's this? I'm not finding a way to secure profits. Like, should I book them at target or trail it? The thing is, whenever you're trying to... Okay, actually, before we go to the thing is, let's take a look at pound yen over here. Right. Let's take a look at pound yen. Okay? Awesome. Let's take a look at this. Now, starting from the daily time frame, daily is bullish. This is the breakdown I also sent in our members group as well. You know, like we're expecting it to go up, but I don't know. It's just retracing now at this point. The 4-hour time frame now has some different situation. If you look at the 4-hour, this previous 4-hour, we closed below 1, 2, 3, 4 4-hour candles, right? Let's take a look on the 1-hour time frame now. Looking at the 1-hour time frame, we got a resistance at 189. 640 obviously, and then we got a support forming down here. So the last time when price came towards this area was earlier on. We rejected. So now we don't know whether we will reject this area here again or not. Let's take a look on the 30-minute. Looking at the 30-minute, we have some more information. Obviously now we have this support. This candle just started on 30-minute. So I'm not sure whether price will move up from here or not. So we're just waiting at this point. But I do know is that break below this area, how far can we go? This is a 10 pip range. If we do break above 189.360, you got like a 28 pip range. Yeah, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. So maybe another zone can go right over here, right? Potential buys above 189.360. Yeah, I think that's going to be good. Potential buys above 189.360. Yeah, I think that looks good. That is good. Honey bunny. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Right now we're just consolidating. This is a no trade range of like a 15 pip range. So, you know, this will basically be a no trade range over here. No trade range. You took a buy way before pre-London. How do you determine volume and how often do you look at charts? I look at charts every 30 minutes. Every 30 minutes, I'm looking at the chart. I'm looking to see whether a candle is forming in a way that I like, you know, like how is it forming on a 1 hour time frame? If they're forming on a 1 hour time frame the way I like, then that makes sense. Talking about this buy I took, it was basically very simple. Look, so this is the resistance we had, right? A 1 hour candle closed bullish. Okay, awesome. And now what's the probability that we will continue to push up? This was after, I think this was 1 hour after Asian Open, right? So I think the volume from Asian Open came in. So, okay, what's the probability we can continue to push up? No, hold on. What's the time now? Yeah, it was like an hour after Asian Open. So we had clean range to the left hand side and, you know, yeah, it just worked out. And now we have changed zones a little bit. Donate $100. No. Why you ignore me? I am biggest fan for you. Awesome. Thank you for being the biggest fan. Appreciate it. Bro, how to check spread in C-Trader? Okay, good question. It's right there. Look, it says spread 0.9. See this? 0.9 pip spread. Yeah. What will be the cost of your course? I'm willing to enroll to improve my trading. We're unsure yet, but the link is going to be up tomorrow or day after tomorrow. I think it's going to be an investment of $1,000 or less than 1,000, something like that. Quick question. On a macro level, China is banning selling stocks in the market. I could care less about what China is doing or what USD CNH is doing. I don't know. What I do know is about gold, and what I do know is about pound yen. That's all what I know. Other than that, I have no idea who's doing what, what's happening, you know, and I just don't know. Honestly, I couldn't even care less. Why don't you share signals like the other traders? Well, why don't the other traders do free live streams like Raja Banks? How does one join? And yeah, exactly, right? How can one join Zoom sessions? You can't. How are you? I'm from Bangladesh. I always follow you. Love you. Thank you. Do you really think buy from 2031 will be safe on the technicals? I don't know. We'll have to wait. We'll have to wait. What technicals? Look to the left hand side. Look what you're seeing on the 30-minute time frame. On the left hand side, you have clean range. So my prediction is we should at least get to 2034. If we can't get to 2034, well, if we do get there, then we should also tap into 2037. You know, this wick to the left hand side. That's basically what I'm looking at. $1,000 to the top, man. You want to go to the top, but you can't invest $1,000 for education. Even less than that, that's incredible. There's no way. Here's the thing, man. People want to make millions. People, they want to retire their parents. They want to do things for their parents. They want to do things for themselves. All those dreams they have. But when you say, hey, like, you know what? This is an investment, the skill that you're going to make in yourself. They're like, oh, no, I can't. I want to go to the club and I want to spend money over there. Or I want to buy some gift for, like, come on. But even if you can't, that's totally fine. These live streams are still here, so you don't have to worry about it. Can you please share the link when it's available on Instagram? Yes, it will be on Instagram. How much do you make the whole trading journey? I've done over 8 figures. Easy. Do you think your USD will go back up again? Send a chart. We'll take a look at that. IB agreement. We're still working on that. What about FOMC? Let's take a look at news over here. Yeah, it's just FOMC minutes. It's FOMC minutes. It's nothing like no rates are being released. Nothing like that. Nothing. Will the current members have access to the course? See, I'm on the fence for a few things because in our current group, we have certain members who take advantage of everything that I release for members, who paid. They take advantage of that. And when I do this, I don't want to be taken advantage of anymore, So I haven't decided what's going to happen, but yeah, man, it's just because I have to protect my intellectual property. I have to protect it as much as I can. So, yeah, we'll see. Maybe the live streams are going to be paid, like subscription, and then you guys in Zoom can still have access to them or something. I don't know. Online bootcamp members, yeah, you guys are already in it. Okay, can't add gold, only see XAU USD. Is it because we installed from Dubai? Nope. You can still see all the pairs in your app. All the pairs are available in your app. All you got to do is click add symbols. See this? Click add symbols at the bottom. Once you click there, boom, it's going to show you all the symbols available. But you'll have to create a watch list. Like, it's going to ask you for the name of the watch list. You do that, and then, yeah. App Store, the Play Store, no. Could you elaborate on the training you're referring to? Yeah, it's basically, it's a very dumbed down price action course for trading currencies. That's coming up on 1st of April. The enrollment is going to start maybe on this weekend. You'll be able to purchase and reserve your spot, but you'll have to wait till April to get access to that. You'll have to wait till April. So I don't know how much more dumbed down I can make it, Still struggling with the verification on Dominion. What could be the issue? Stuck at level 0? Don't worry. It should be resolved in a day or two. The verification, or send an email to our support about verification, and you want to be verified, and they will be able to push it manually. Actually, let me make sure if that is the case. Right. All right. Gold is coming down. Let's take a look at pound yen. Pound yen is also coming down. All right, what's this? We got some new stuff coming in. Oh, nice little short intro. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. All right, let's take a look at here. Gold coming down. Gold coming down. Is this enough range for me to trade in? 17, 18 pips. I don't think so. Looking at pound yen is also coming down. Pound yen is also coming down. Let's draw this line over. Oh, this is some other line. Okay. Let's do this horizontal line right here. Make it a bit thicker. All right. I don't know how to deposit with crypto. Wow. I don't know what you're looking at. I am very confused. What do you mean you don't know how to deposit by crypto? Yeah, crypto deposits are ready to go. I'm not finding a way to secure profits. Already answered that question. Can you break down your GJ buys? My GJ buys, I didn't have them today. I have 3 years experience in customer support, would like to work in support for Dominion markets. We need experience in Forex or currency trading. Any plans for minimum deposit of $50? You can deposit $50. Can we trade stocks on Dominion markets? You can trade shares. Shares. How to transfer funds from Binance to Dominion markets? Well, you can deposit via Visa and MasterCard, but transferring funds from Binance to Dominion markets, I think you'll have to contact Binance support. Yeah. Love you from Umair Niazi. Thank you. If I watch all your YouTube videos, so then I'll be a profitable trader? Maybe. You don't look at RSI? No, I don't look at RSI. I don't. I'm just waiting over here on gold. Prices coming down. I think below 2026, we could have a pretty good move for price to move down, right? Yeah, 2026, below 2026 could be good. Yeah. How much? Okay, losing 2 years. What's your suggestion? If you've been losing for 2 years, I think the best suggestion is going to be to focus on 1 or 2 trades a day. That's it. Because you can only lose in 2 ways, right? You can only lose in 2 ways, and this is a tried and tested method. 1, if you overtrade. Number 2, if you over risk. That's it. There's no other way you will lose money. There's no other way that you will lose. If you overtrade and over risk, that's the only way you're going to lose money. Sir, a lot of traders said technical analysis does not work. Well, that's why 90% lose, because they say this. Is C trader more on commissions? No, it's the same. Made a profit on the sell. Amazing. Well done. Well done. I remember Raja's CBDC prank of how the market will finish when CBDCs come out. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, Raja, I lost today. Please do a live stream, then I'll recover my loss. Okay, no problem, Maham. No problem. You're at the right place where I will tell you a trade, and there will be a 10% probability that we will win that trade. Why last market fluidity course was 600? Why the last Apple phone was, why the first Apple phone was $499? And now the most recent Apple phone is as much as my MacBook. Do you use prop firms to start trading? No. I've been building this account since this month started. Look, I started this account on the 6th February with $9,998. 6th February. And this is the 21st February. We're sitting at 41,000. I'm trying to get this to 50,000 by the end of this month. If I get it to 50,000, I can then withdraw 10,000 and pay my bills. You know, what a lovely, lovely feeling that's going to be to pay your bills from trading. Wow. How to increase lot size with confidence. You go over here, you choose what lot size you want. Oh, I can finally trade 100 lot. I can trade 100 lot now. For 100 lot, I need $40,000. I need a $40,000 balance. This is great. This is great. 100 lots right now? No. Hell no. I'm probably going to stick to 10 and 15. Pound yen, buy over here. Yeah, this is no trade range, buddy. No trade range. What's your extra confirmation after breakout to make sure that's a good to enter? Okay, so for example, if this candle closes below 2026, I'll wait for the next candle to break below the low, and then we can continue pushing down. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. How do you identify fake breakouts? You can't. Kindly upload the video on trading wick fills plus momentum. That's going to be in Market Fluidity 2.0. I also have 3 years trading Forex on the side, looking to work with Dominion Market Support. How can I apply? Send an email to hr@dominionmarkets.com. Brother, trading is your hobby, so what is your business? Trading is my hobby, and this hobby has made me money, and then I use that money to start different businesses, like a brokerage, education, MagicKeys, but I'm a trader first, and then I'm anything else. I absolutely enjoy trading. Like this account build that I'm doing, man, this is just incredible. Incredible. Look at this. Look at all these trades. Live account too, you know? It's live account too. $9,908. Look at that. Even pips. Look at the losses. Look at the wins. I got losses. I got wins. This was CPI actually. I fucked over on CPI. But yeah, like look at the losses. 10 pip loss, 12 pip, 2, 4. Look at the wins, right? The wins are always bigger than the losses. And that's exactly what we're going to be focusing on with Market Fluidity 2.0. Can I trade crypto? Sure. But the cost of trading crypto is very high. So got to be very careful. As a beginner, it's good to do paper trading. Start with a small live account, $50, $100. Start with a small live account. And guys, also listen, for all information on like your Market Fluidity or like live streams or simulation sessions, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram is Raja Banks. Raja Banks is my Instagram. So go follow that. Go follow that. I gotta go get some coffee. Coffee time. All right, we are back. So we're still not doing anything. The 30-minute candle is about to close. Let's take a look at going all the way to Colombia for his coffee. My coffee is better than yours. Awesome, good for you. Oh, Radha is back. Oh, Radha is back. The crying baby. The crying baby whose parents are not happy with him. All right, there you go. Okay, I'm a trader for the last 2 years, but I'm having issues with finding a profitable strategy. Can you help me with that? The best strategy is this. Whenever you see a move happen, right? Whenever you see a move happen, look at that move and then ask yourself, how could you have taken the trade? What could you have done, or where could you have taken an entry? Not like, oh, you know, this candle moved down, I could have taken a sell over here. No. Was there a logical reasoning why you could have taken the sell? Okay, so for example, now we're going to break this down in 15 minutes. Let's see over here. On the 15-minute, I don't see any logical reasoning why I should have taken a sell. So it's like, okay, no, this won't work, you know? But let's say, for example, you're looking at the 1 hour and like, you know, there were candles that came down like this. There were candles that came down in this range. This was like, you know, 42 pip range. And you're like, okay, candles came down. How I could have taken the sell? Then you're like, okay, maybe I could have waited for a resistance to form. Once this resistance is formed, then we have all this range where price can move down. So maybe I could have taken a sell right over here. You know, you're like, okay, next time when that happens, then I'm going to take a sell right there. You know, but when you come onto the stream, you see Raja Banks already took that sell, because I've seen this happen over and over and over again. You know, so then my comfortability and my confidence in executing in situations like these is much higher because I've seen it happen much more times. Take a look at this chart over here by Jake. Jake sent a C Trader chart. This is on what this GBP AUD. Okay, looks good. 2.1 lots. Your stop loss is down there. This is the 1 hour time frame. We've broken the high. Okay, I guess now all you got to focus on and how you're gonna manage risk on the 30-minute time frame. That's going to be the most interesting part now. Been following you for a while. Do you just look for a trade every 7 a.m. Eastern off stream? And if so, until what time do you look for trade opportunities? I look at the charts every 30 minutes up until London close. You know, so from pre-London to London close, I take a look at the charts every 30 minutes to see if the candle is closing in a way that I can identify, or in a way that I can, you know, acknowledge that I know price is going to go my way or not, you know, stuff like that. I've seen thousands of videos on YouTube about trading strategies. So many traders overcomplicate the charts. By far, 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 your style of trading is the best. Thank you. Appreciate it too much. Appreciate it. Okay, what's your daily protein intake? I have no idea. 150 grams, 120 grams. I don't know. I just eat protein in every meal. You know, I try to make sure. Asian session is good. Sometimes there's good volume with great confirmations, and sometimes Asian session is just dog shit. Are you based in the UK? No, I'm not based in the UK. Do you trade during NYSC? Sometimes, yes, I do trade during NYSC. Can I open an account in Dominion Markets from Pakistan? Sure. Yes, you can. I have given you permission to do that. Right? So let's take a look at this range over here. This is a pretty big range here. Alai fam, look at that, 31 pip range. How to read the market structure? Market structure reading is making me confused. It disturbs my bias. It disturbs my bias. Market structure should basically complement your bias. You know, like if you have a bias and your bias is buys, then you're just looking for market structure that says buys. You know, for example, where do most buys start? From a technical zone perspective, where do most buys start? Most buys, they start from support. You know, so yeah. When C Trader full version be released for Mac users? I don't know. Not anytime soon. Yeah, not anytime soon. MetaTrader removed from Play Store for Indian traders? Yes. MetaTrader has gone from India. Go ask Modi. Raja bhai, kaise ho? Do I have to email to reserve my seat for your course upcoming April? No. The payment link is going to be up maybe tomorrow or day after tomorrow to reserve your seat. Will the current users of MyFXBook have access to 2.0? There's going to be an announcement that I'm going to make. How do I change stake to lots in C Trader? So what you got to do is you got to go to settings, and then you got to go to general, and then chart, and then assets. Yeah, from here you can change it. What kind of visa did you apply to move to Dubai? None. I came here, I got my company visa. Well, basically, we bought a house and we got a golden visa, you know. Your lives are so entertaining. Me and my coworker look forward to some good laughs while we are at work. Post office. Thank you. Anita Corsell. Appreciate it. No wonder why posts are late. Are you selling course? No. My losses are bigger than my profits. What can I do? Your losses are bigger than your profits because maybe you're not focusing on how to reduce a loss. You know, maybe you're letting your full position hit your stop loss. Maybe you have a mental stop loss. Like a lot of you guys, if you have a mental stop loss, you got to understand this. Mental stop loss is not going to work all the time. Like your mental stop loss is not going to be a concrete stop loss. You need a concrete stop loss for it to work in the first try. How can I get trading capital for starting? You need trading capital to start. Maybe it's time you start to think about. Maybe it's time you think about to get a job, you know, and then All right. Let's see here. Yeah, nothing. Absolutely nothing happening. I'm probably going to leave in like 20 minutes anyway, but so far nothing really going on. You know, consolidating, if we can break above this area, 189.360, then we can continue to push up. In this 29, 28, 29 pip range, we can continue to push up. But if you can break below this area, see, here's the thing. If we do break below 189, 150, 189, 160, there are a bunch of rejections. You know, first rejection is at 189, 100, and you got 189.083, and then you got your major support at 188.930. So then someone could argue, well, if we do break below 189, 160, aren't you afraid of the wick to the left-hand side? No. Because right now we're consolidating. We're in this, 15 pip range. So if we do break below 189, 160, then you're anticipating volume to continue pushing price down. That's what you're doing. You're anticipating volume to continue pushing price down. Gold here, we're just in a range now, you know, like, what are you going to do? You know, like you got your 1 hour support now, like when the next 1 hour candle starts. Okay, here's what I'm envisioning for gold. Okay, let's say, for example, for some time this does not exist. What I'm envisioning for gold is that once this candle closes bearish, the next candle on the 1 hour should wick up, break below this low, and then continue pushing down with volume. Yeah, I think that's going to be better. Ooh, look at that. I can have a sell stop right here. Quick time. Yeah, so we're just going to have to wait. Waiting is in session. We get paid to wait. Look at this. Just waiting now. I have heart attacks seeing my profits. What should I do? Secure them. I don't know. Secure them. Can C-Trader connect to MyFXBook? No. Actually, I'm not sure. What's the difference between 1 hour support created when you took a trade early versus the 1 hour support created a couple hours ago at 5 a.m. Eastern? So when this 1 hour support was created, right here, when I took my trade, oh, this was a sell. Yeah, when I took this trade, and this support created is the same thing. You know, because here as well, if you do take a buy, you got like a 30 pip range. So this could have been a pretty good buy for about 20 pips. How to convert the volume to lots. Oh my God, I've done it so many times, man. Go to settings and then go to chart, go to assets, and then change to lots right here. Okay, let's see here. What do you think will happen with the news? What do I think will happen with the news? Hold on there, buddy. Very nice. All right, let's take a look at this over here. ForexFactory.com. Let's see here now. ForexFactory.com, we have no news, just FOMC, and that's about it. Thursday, we have nothing important happening on Thursday relative to the US dollar. Looking at Friday, we have nothing. Yen bank holiday. So it should be a pretty easy day tomorrow. Also, I think today is going to be pretty easy as well. You just got to stay away from 189.360 and 189.170. In this, between this range, you just got to stay away on pound yen. On gold, gold. If we do create a support, a potential buy, but I doubt it because we already went up from here. We couldn't break above 2031. From here, we already went up. We couldn't break above 2030, 2031. So if we tried 2 times trying to break above and we couldn't break above, then where can we go? Where will price go if we can't go in one direction? If we couldn't go bullish, where else will price go? Down, right? So we need a break below 2026 for price to push down. That's all we need. I'm from India. Please reply me. Well, there you go. The glittering star. Are there days when you don't take a single trade? Yes, there are days. But so far, man, I've been taking trades a whole lot on this account. This account build is coming up pretty good. We're up 31,000. Start from 9,000, sitting at about 41,000 now. So I've been trading quite a bit on this account. Maybe it's a small amount. So I'm comfortable with that. But yeah, I've been using like 5% risk, 6% risk, you know. So why MT4, MT5 got removed in India? Can someone tell me, please? Because MetaCoats, they said we don't want India. That's why. How do you, well, actually, MetaCoats, they canceled licenses of a lot of brokers in India. That's why. Do you miss any setups even 6 a.m.? How do you not miss any setups even 6 a.m.? Well, buddy, your 6 a.m. is my 3 p.m. Get it? Your 6 a.m. is my 3 p.m. Thanks for all this knowledge every day. Your analysis can be used for one-day trading. Yes, it can. Can we execute trades on C Trader based on percentage like MagicKeys? Yes, you can. You know, one other really helpful thing that Dominion Markets C Trader does for you is this. Watch this, okay? Watch this very carefully. Let's say you're looking at the 30-minute time frame, right? You're looking at the 30-minute time frame. And you want to take a buy, okay? You want to take a buy and your stop loss is going to be, let's say, 10 pips away, right? So your stop loss is going to be 10 pips away. So you're right here. You're going to do like, 10 pips away is going to be your stop loss. Lot size, you want to do, let's say, 2 lots. So if you do 2 lots, 10 pips away, your estimated loss is going to be, ooh. Hold on. Yeah, that's right. It's going to be 0.3%. And take profit is going to be whatever. You do 20. So all your calculation is done over here. Right? All your calculation is done over here. Yeah. And then you can decrease it, increase it, whatever you want. So you know exactly how much you're going to make and how much you're going to lose. Yeah, guys, I figured it out. So, okay. Is Dominion Market available for Moroccans? Yes. Yes, it is. Your trading course is limited or we can buy it whenever we want. I have no money now, but in 2 months I will buy it. Okay, yes, you can. But also, listen, if you say in 2 months you will buy it and after buying it, you're not going to have any money, don't buy it. I don't want people buying the course and then not having any money to deposit in your trading account. That makes no sense at all. So don't do that. I wish I'd have so much assets and cash not to fear risking 5% on 3K account. Well, Casper, 10 years ago, well, not even 10, 15 years ago, I would have never even done that, so maybe you can do it on $500 account. One trade a day or something like that. The problem is that Dominion and C Trader are not US recommendations. What can we use in the US? Oanda. Use Oanda in the US. Can you have a demo account with Dominion Markets? Yes, you can. Where do you go? Well, the link is going to be up tomorrow. Why Meta banned in India? Because of the scams. How can I shift my chart from right border? There's a button on the, man, what is this? Is this support? Is this support for Metacodes? It's support for C Trader? It's not. This is a trading stream. You know, we're just waiting here on gold. Just patiently waiting on gold. That's it. I'm gonna leave in 10 minutes anyway. But give Dominion Markets a shot, you know. Deposit fund in Dominion Markets, start with $100, try out C Trader, and man, trust me, you will be so surprised how easy to use, like so much information you have. I even see my net profits on gold here, trade statistics. So if I go to pound yen, I'll see my pound yen statistics right here. Go back to gold. This is Raja Bank, your support agent. How may I help you? What's your color code? I want it the same as TradingView. My color code is, see, I've been trying to figure out how to save. Like, where are these templates saved on my PC? That's what I'm trying to figure out. What's the customer base on Dominion? It's like 55,000, something like that. How much it costs for C Trader? That's irrelevant. Is there any country that is not accepted by Dominion Markets? Yes. North Korea, US, and Canada. What do you think of funded accounts? Sure, they're great. You can make money from it. Amazing. What account to create on a beginner? Standard or spread? ECN account. Can you explain sell you took on 1 hour candle close, or have you waited for the candle to wake up? I took the sell when the candle closed, right? So this is the 1 hour time frame. This was the sell right here. So here's this candle closed, and then the sell was taken for price to go down. My losses are bigger than my profits, and I do manage. What advice can you give me? No, you don't manage. That's why you're asking that question. You need to further lower down your losses. Further. By the way, I'm looking to so basically what's going on is maybe in the first week of March, we are doing a traders meet. We're doing a traders meet. It's going to be in a hall. It's limited to 50 seats, and it's going to be traders meet that we're doing. Traders meet and greet, basically. You know, so it's going to be me, maybe someone else as well, and it's going to be a stage. We'll do a short presentation, and after that presentation, there's going to be a short question and answer session for everyone. Cost, I don't know, maybe like $150, you know, something like that. Something very, 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 very small for a full day. So that's something that we're planning now. It's going to be in Dubai, so let's see. Traders meet. What time do you trade according to UAE time? Around 3 p.m. 3 p.m. I start the live stream around, UAE time. 3 p.m. It will be announced on my Instagram, so then you'll be able to see. All right, let's see here. Market fluidity price. Do you mostly trade in ranges, right? Yes, but I also look at clean ranges to the left-hand side as well. Let's see here. How did you catch early morning trade before 7 a.m. UAE time? I was up very early. I'm always up at 6 a.m. Because I got kids. Can dominion markets be accessed in Indonesia? Yes. Your Rolex is coming soon. Any plan? What? David here, Raja, your Rolex is coming soon. Any plan on next boot camp? I don't know. Maybe in Dubai. At what point should I be cutting down my risk? You have to take a look at the candles. You have to take a look at the candles. You have to see, okay, whether these candles are printing in my direction. Like, are they not printing in my direction? The way they are forming. What can I do? Like, if they're breaking the highs, or like, let's say if you're in a buy and a candle starts to break the lows, then you got to decide whether you want to close 50%, you want to close 25%, are you going to let the whole thing running, so on and so forth. I market fluidity, SRC, do I have to pay for 2 my dough? I don't know. Is it safe to trade counter trend on gold? Yes, it's safe to trade counter trend on gold, but there's also a way to trade counter trend on gold. Okay, what's your view on gold? So far, just waiting. Nothing so far. The 30-minute candle is closing bullish, and if you do break above 15 pip range, 25 pip range, we'll see. You're talking too much, mate. Well, mate, it's a live stream. What the hell do you want me to do? Sing you a song? How many cars do you have? 4 in Dubai and 3 in Pakistan. 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cars. Which one is better? MT5 or C Trader? C Trader, I think, is much better. Let's celebrate their first super on a live stream. Hey, Amar Khan. All right, so I'm going to head off, everyone. Take care. We'll see you guys tomorrow. I had less time here today, but still I wanted to come on and show some love and give some advices and kind of like, help you guys out a little bit. But on pound yen, I would be waiting for a break above 189.360 or a break below 189.170, right? On pound yen. On gold, I'd be happy to take a sell below 2026 or a buy above 2031. I'd be happy to do that. But till then, guys, take care. Have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow. Adios. Break and close. Yeah, break and close or impulse entry. We'll just have to wait and see like what price does when we do come to these levels. That's the most important thing. All right. Take care.